Hi guys, I'm Samin Chowdhury and I have created the project of mcp-server. Let's take a look. So this is my server mcp.json and this is basically a workflow of Notion, GitHub, and Zoom. So as you can see, I've used my URLs and I've used the Smithery framework, Smithery AI framework to let users trigger tool actions and create meetings or manage notes, such as using Notion. And you can create meetings on Zoom as well. So thus, this streamlines the flow of your work. Uh, Let me just show you some examples of what this does. Let's say find all of my GitHub repos, and you can see my GitHub repos here. Then find all of my Notion pages. The LLM model, it finds all of my Notion pages, the notes, by calling the search. So OSINT, and these were my notes. It's been a while. Uh, yeah, these were some of the leak codes that I was doing. These are there as well. And I want to create an instant meeting with ann@gmail.com. So since my Zoom is integrated with the workflow, I could just instantly have the join link for Anne and just join over there and I can give it to her so that she can join it as well. So when it comes to the controls and authentication, these are preserved in while I was setting up on Smithery. They have it over there and it's not going to the public, the keys and tokens, such as let's say even in GitHub when we went to GitHub and I was configuring it and it was all private, thus it's not going to a public. So those have been conserved. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.